and the applicant or the person having transaction with government. Tapos doon sa she can then now use the computer to assess the workload of the office. And after that, she is given notice there, be back on next month at this hour, on this day, and you'll have it. Ibibigay lang niya yun. So there will be no lining up. At dito sa, same dito sa, I don't know, I'm still trying to figure out how it would unfold. But I'm planning to have, I won't papayag si Bebo to set up another department for overseas workers only. And where they can find, or if Bebo can make it an agency as effective, wala man ang problema dyan. Pero solely for overseas workers. And I would like to direct the NBI, the BIR, and the police there, may booth sila. And total, may computer naman pala di gamitin. And the workers there, if not on the same building, at least in a contiguous place, but they would not have to travel, spend so much. Walking distance, maghanap tayo. At kung magpunta, sabi niya, he's applying for a certain job. He should start with any of the anong makuha niya. If it's a name is statistics, there must be an office there. Para isang lakaran na lang siya. And he's given a shopping list, but kung maaari lang, kawawang Pilipino talaga. Sakay dito, sakay doon, ilang araw yan. Wala naman nangyayari. He should only travel if you block where or same building, makuha niya lahat without any really having to endure the bureaucratic inutility. So that is really to protect. I am bent to protect the young, the young people going out, and the old ones not to have to travel so many. And there is one thing that we would like to do away with is really yung mga fixers. Pag ayaw nilang maniwala, then we'll just have to arrest them and give them a lecture somewhere else. Diyan ang nakakaano. LTO is one, yung Land Registration Commission is one. Grabe dyan. Walang papel, walang kung ano-anong kaputahan ang any excuse. Tsaka pera-pera niyan. And I really do not know, but they are revising the entire map ng yan bit matrabaho yan. Yung reconstitution, yung mga ulol na yan. Yan. How can you reconstitute Davao owned by one person? Yung mga spurious documents na binibigyan ng mga, there was judge, but he was already ousted. Yung mag-reconstitution ka. So eventually, I could not, sinulatan ko Supreme Court, sabi ko, inutil itong judge na to, sabi ko. And he was ousted. So yung mga yung online gambling must stop. It has opened a lot of avenues for many people to just do gamble. It's out of control sa PAGCOR. So, nandito si Ma'am dito, si Miss Domingo. She has to, I would suggest that sometime soon, putulin niya lahat yung licenses na binigay niya sa mga Kung sa saan lang nag-sprout in Davao, they're at it, but I stopped it on time. Mahirap yung puro sugal na lang ang nalaman itong, and there's no way of government collecting taxes there, online. How do you collect the taxes there? So, well, not exactly the taxes, but I do not want a proliferation of gambling activities all over the country. Mahirap yan. No, this is just my native idea. I don't know if it would jive with, Kung magawa na lang tayo ng daan sa si Art Tugade, yung isang bagong daan na papuntang Pampanga, solely for the road and other allied services, but mainly for the road access to Pampanga Airport. Para doon na lang yung ibang flights sa domestic. If we can have just a road until we can have the new whatever, doon na lang muna sa Pampanga ang ibang para hindi mag-clog dito because of the talagang traffic. The best way in the meantime is I said one road network that would be geared towards Pampanga and Clark para magamit natin. Yun na lang muna siguro. I really do not know if we have the money to build a new airport dyan sa Sangli to extend it or kung mayroong mga bagong papasok na may pera, di sige. Wala tayong problema dyan. But in the meantime, we have to remedy the overcrowded skies of Naya. Isang airport lang talaga tayo. It's Naya, period. And it services the entire country. And all of the planes going to Manila are landing there. So how do you expect kaya umiikot ng umiikot? And there's the danger, maubusan ka ng kagaya ko, halos we had to have an SOS. I was low on gas and I was only good for 17 minutes. Sabi ko, mabuti, pinalanding kami. Kaya ayaw ko yung may special treatment. Walang dyan stopping of the activity just because somebody coming in. And also, next time, itong mga epic pati should be there somewhere where we do not really, the least inconvenience and disturbance to the people should be better. But itong meron akong isang suggestion lang. We do not share commonality in all of the aspects of governance. So we can have the cluster. Si Jess mahusay dito, kaya matagal ka dito Kan clustering na lang tayo. So you might want to talk to Attorney Medialdia. Kasi sayang ang panahon ng iba They can work better. Tapos patawag mo dito, wala namang only those departments that are interconnected with their duties. Parang may germane na kayo. Pero yung iba, hindi man kailangan. We can have a good governance and anti-corruption. Basta yung good governance lang, take out I do not want anti-corruption. Basta ayaw natin ng corruption, period. So good governance, economic development, human development, and poverty reduction, climate change, adoption and mitigation, security, justice, and peace. Yung kita nga ulitin ko, yung kita sa PAGCOR, it runs into billions. The last time I've taken notice of it was 35 billion, something, or 30. It will be geared for health services. Kasi even the complaints sa mga PGH, mga doctors, is that they have to shell out, contribute sila just for the patient to buy the medicines. I think that these billions, if just nakatutok yan sa health services, would go a long way really to provide relief to almost every Filipino. Yan lang hindi makabili ng medisina. Hindi naman kasi lahat. That's why I'm sending Secretary Ubial to Cuba. So kung sinong gustong pumunta, that's something to do with human welfare. They have a good practice there. And if you guys want to go there, you can go and I will allow you. Mayroon tayong magandang paraan ang Cuba. That's why it was a socialist country working very well.